Acabithia a mabuku aria makoretwo metereire thirikari marihe thirĩ wa mũigana wa makiria ma ciringi birioni 11 riu maya gwikora kigeri-ini kingi kiritu thutha wa mũrugamo mweru uria uheanitwo ni kamiti ya mbunge ĩgiĩ gĩthomo. Kamiti no iria tongoragio ni Julius MELI ironekana gwikirira nganja ithabu ria mabuku maria mangikorwo matumirwo mathukuru-ini. Amemba kamiti no makiuga ati ithabu riu ni rigubatara guthurimwo kana ni riiganaine na ria arutwo aria mari mathukuru-ini.
Members also raised the issue of the authenticity of the number of textbooks supplied to schools, and we said that the pending bill should actually match with the actual number of students in those particular schools, so that if there is oversupply and undersupply and the quality resource assessment of each, we make sure that we have value for money.
Mathiri maya ni makuma mwaka wa 2022 nginyagia mwaka uyu, na kamiti no niiraniire kurumirira ministry ya githomo nginyagia mbeca icio cirekererio. Ona gutuika MELI augite mathiri macio makurihwo wona uthurimi ucio warika.
We are talking about bills that have accumulated between 2022 and 2025 where we are. Right from books that were supplied to primary schools to junior school learners to be able to help the publishers to print. We have given the information to the Minister of Education, and I'm sure that this is being considered so that, as the chair has said, we can have the books distributed.
We will be able to pursue that particular pending bill after we have been assured that the textbooks that are supplied are commensurate with the number of learners, because we are talking about a textbook ratio of 1:1.
Murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa KICD Professor Charles Ongondo augite ati mabuku ma grade ya 10 ni marikitie kuhariririo ni KICD na kiria gietereirwo ni acabithia kurihwo gicunji kia mathire macio niguo mambiririe kumacabithia.
The books are ready. The publishers are ready to print and distribute once part of their bills are paid to support them to print. But we want to assure that gap being bridged a bit, we should be able to have books in grade 10 before the schools open in January.
We want the supply of textbooks and, more importantly, the resource materials for grade 10 to reach schools on time because of the 3 pathways that we have. They have assured us that those particular materials will be supplied.
Mabuku matanyihire milioni 7 ma mathomo matiganite ma kirathi kia grade 10 nimo marabatara gukorwo macabithitio na kurekererio mathukuru-ini gukinyeria Januari ya mwaka ukite, na ihinda ria mieri 2 nirio rirabatarania niguo wira ucio ukorwo urikite. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.